My dream for Jamaica is for us to have some of the wonderful things that we have. Our family life, wonderful family life, us being able to afford and take care of our children, providing the basic things for them. So many people are suffering now, Our standard of living is falling so badly.
Madam Speaker, global evidence has found that investments in early childhood education are among the most effective interventions in achieving national development.
We need to be progressing. Yes, what life was like for me should be better for my children and my grandchildren. And I'm not seeing that.
Our national productivity and competitiveness are being held back because we are not providing our children with the fundamentals of a good education.
Something needs to change. We need honesty, integrity, and all those things to be important. Yes, that's my dream for Jamaica.
The next PNP administration will help our students to step up in our life and participate in the Jamaican dream.